Coviran vaccine was proved safe during the first phase of the human trials, and now the second stage suggests it also provides effective immunity against the coronavirus. Produced by the headquarters for the execution of Imam Khomeini's order, Coviran was injected to 280 volunteers in the second clinical stage, and the results were reported to the Health Ministry.
We passed the first and second clinical stages, and in the next 2 days we will report the results of the second phase to the regulatory bodies. So far we have achieved promising results as to the efficiency of the vaccine. Once this phase is complete, we can then speak with certainty about the exact percentage of the vaccine's efficiency.
Once the second phase is over and the vaccine is proved effective against the coronavirus, the third and final stage will then be initiated, which involves giving the jabs to 20,000 volunteers. Coviran authorities say they have already issued the call for voluntary injections, since time is running short.
Based on international standards, if a vaccine gives at least 50% immunity against the virus, it is viable and can be mass-produced. We are confident from our lab tests that Coviran is effective and can generate significant number of antibodies, so we have already issued a call for volunteers to study its efficacy on a larger statistical population.
The first phase of the clinical trial was carried out in December last year, which proved that the vaccine is safe and will not cause any side effects. Other than Coviran, Iran is working on 7 other homegrown vaccines, including Covpars, which is now undergoing the first phase of the human trials. This as the country has already started vaccination of the most vulnerable groups, mainly using Russia's Sputnik V. Coviran is already ahead in the race compared to other Iranian local vaccines. Now, as the fourth wave of the pandemic is sweeping the country, Coviran developers say they're making their utmost efforts to get their jobs to the market within the next 2 months. Yusuf Jalali, Press TV, Tehran.